Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will teach you how you can draw a perfect circle and add it to your photos or images on Photopea. So let us get started right away. So guys, what you want to do first is pay attention to the toolbar here on the left hand side and right click on that square icon here to get a better overview of the applicable shapes. So you may switch from rectangle to ellipse, and after that simply start drawing your circle here on your canvas. So what you want to do, guys, is simply left click, hold your left mouse and simply release your left mouse to draw your circle. If I, for example, do it like that, guys, you will see that it is not a perfect circle, but rather than that an ellipse. So what you want to do instead, guys, is once again left click, hold your left mouse, and after that draw your circle. But this time press and hold left shift on your keyboard, and that is going to stabilize your circle just like that, so that it becomes a perfect circle like that. And simply release your left mouse as well as the left shift key on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle like that. Now you may, for example, resize it, for example, or rotate it, which doesn't make any sense with a perfect circle, but that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.